Welcome to plsql beginner to advanced tutorial series. Today we will learn about plsql cursor with for loop using select statement, and we will find throughout this tutorial are implicit cursor use, for loop use, and loop use. Now we will see another example of for loop. So let's go. Here we can see the begin and end section. We use the for loop, and this is the DML operation like select first name, last name, and salary from employee table. So this one is the for loop, and inside the loop we use the DMS output line to print our first name, last name, and salary value from this loop for loop. So if I execute this one, after executing this section, here we can see the result: employee name and the salary. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.